January 28th, 2021, Fluency. Rebecca saved $475.85 in June and $102.10 in July. Then she bought a bicycle for $395.75. How much of her savings from June and July was left? All right, so she had savings in June and July. So let's see how much she saved total. And then we'll take out how much she bought for the bicycle. So let's add $475.85 and $102. Remember, we need to line up that decimal when we're adding or subtracting. Whatchamacallit? Decimals. All right, 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 5 plus 2 is going to be 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. So how much she saved was $577.95. Now, she then bought that bicycle. So then she went out and bought a bicycle for $395.75. So we need to figure out, okay, well now we need to subtract this amount. So I'm going to move this up. So we're going to take this and we are going to subtract how much she bought the bike for. So the bike was $395.75. And when we subtract, let's subtract now. 5 minus 5 is going to be 0. 9 minus 7 is going to be 2. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 9 you cannot do, so that 5 becomes a 4. To make this 7 a 17. 17 minus 9 is going to be 8. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So after she bought that bicycle, our answer as well, it'll be she has $182.20 left. And that's it for our fluency. Great job. There we go. Awesome job.